Oh, welcome back. So today has been a bit of a shit show, to be honest. We got stuck in traffic, about 30 to 40 minute drive from where we met these jeeps, and then we had about 30 guys helping put the bikes on, and it was just, we had to reload them again. But now we're on the way, light's fading, but at least we're on our way. So Fairy Meadows, that's where we're off to, and then we're off to Beyal Camp. So hope you enjoy this one. It's already an adventure. We're in the jeep, we've got the bikes, got our driver. What's your name, sir?
Muhammad Arif.
Muhammad Arif.
Yes.
Well, we're with you for the next hour.
Yes.
Nice. You're gonna keep our bikes safe? Yes. Off we go to Fairy Meadows, and it's nearly dark already. We're on. So in 1963 it was built.
Yes.
People started driving it.
Yes.
But when it falls away, who fixes it?
I'm working there.
You work?
Yes.
Ah, good.
And local community.
Yeah.
Fairy Meadows.
And do you
Working there. And
your road building skills are amazing.
yes.
I hope they're amazing anyway. This road is unreal.
Dangerous road.
This has got to be one of the craziest roads I've ever witnessed. I've seen videos on this one, but it's actually more impressive than they even show. Here's a couple jeeps passing, it's crazy. All the stonework on the sides, it's nuts. We are so high above the valley. There's the rest of the crew. This is us.
Finish.
Finish. Can see everybody working. So that's a big old washout. Crazy, crazy. How you doing, boys and girls?
Welcome to Tato Village.
Why, thank you. Sweet team, we made it. Time is
Summer life.
hour jeep ride, about 2 hours worth of walking, and we've made it to Fairy Meadows. Chilling by the fire, about to have some dinner. Nanga Parbat's right there. And yeah, tomorrow we're gonna go up to Beyal. Looking forward to a comfortable night. So good to get a good night's sleep. Woke up this morning, we're at Fairy Meadows, and the view of Nanga Parbat is amazing. This is Fairy Meadows. Hot water, this is where the magic happens. That's all. Thank you very much, sir. Breakfast time. Yeah, boy.
Buddy.
It's our first real good viewpoint of the glacier. The terminal face. Shoo! That is a long way down. I'd say we're probably like halfway up to Beyal Camp. We've ridden, walked a bunch of this. It's been super nice, the temperature's lovely. We've had a little sprinkle of rain. And the riding down is gonna be all time. It's like low gradient, but just enough gradient to just let off the brakes and just play. Should be sweet. Oh, a little route line. ₹50. Going rogue. What's your name?
Sumir.
Sumir. I'm Jamie. Good to meet you, Sumir. What's your name? Moniha. I'm Jamie. Good to meet you. Okay, we carry on. See you later. Nice to meet you. So there's quite a bit of development here, a bit of infrastructure, which is really cool. This is one of the more popular walks in Pakistan, so pretty easy to get snacks and food, and now even accommodation along the way, so you can pack pretty light, which is nice compared to what we've been up to so far. Lunch at Beyal Camp. Delicious. Tire pressure time. Running 26 in the back and I want 24 on the front. This thing is mean. We're there. Had to put a plug in this the other day as well, so good to know it's holding air. Right, nearly there. top of the valley. Mr. Optimism himself right there. A couple of people left bikes behind just because this doesn't really look that rideable, but we'll see. We'll see what we get. Feeling pretty heavy after lunch though, it was a good feed. We got straight into it. Hope that chicken was good. What an idyllic spot. Whew. Oh, not a bad view, eh? Oh, good to go. Yeah, boy. G'day, bro. Stuff through here?
Yeah.
Oh, chunky, chunky. It's just me and you, Jeff. It's just me and you. The others are just down there too. Oh. Yeah. Call it a caterpillar. Whoa. Oosh. This is some of the best climbing I've ever done. Look at that view. Don't look at the view. Whoa. Yeah. Man, that was a good climb. We're on our way back down from Beyal Camp. It's been pretty fun. It's been some jank. Nothing's been very steep at all, but it's been extremely janky, but pretty fun. And then there's been these nice open braided sections which have been sicko. But we're nearly back at camp. We're at the terminal face of the glacier now. We've been above that obviously, and soon we are going to be drinking some more tomorrow tea. Trail goes that way. You get lost. Down here. Ooh. What's that? That's where we want to go, up there.
Where is that?
Just going up the stairs. Well, that's the end of this day. This Fairy Meadows adventure continues. Tomorrow we actually head all the way back down to the Karakoram Highway. But for now, we are back at Broadview which is our accommodation for the night. And yeah, looking forward to some tomorrow tea and a good night's sleep, shower, and yeah, chilling by the fire. All right, we are on our way out of Fairy Meadows. Today's the first day of this whole trip where I can't trust a fart. So, got my roll of toilet paper, good to go.
Thanks so much.
It's a great stay. Yeah, I hope so.
How was your stay here?
It was great, great stay. Very comfortable, loved the hot showers, loved the food, loved the view. Nailed it. Went for the alternate line today. From memory, the rest of the trail is pretty beaten, pretty wide. It's just got big exposure. Or maybe it just felt that way because it was dark.
I couldn't see any exposure.
Yeah. Well, just because it was so dark.
Oh, yeah. It's exposed too. You go, bro.
Thought it would be exposed. Stay out of the mud. How's that for breakfast? Damn. Yeah, boy. Oh, it's loose right where you don't want it to be, eh? We've got some goats up ahead. Here they are. Goats and a horse. Hello.
Oh.
Goats having a munch around the outside. Try to keep the stock together. Thank you. Don't scare them. Yep. Chunky, that's cool. Wrap. Man. Well, I've left the group because I need to find a place to poop. Here's a tree. Hello.
Hi, hi,
G'day, fellas.
Oh, wonderful.
We're not far behind you.
Good.
I just got to find a place to go for a little squat.
Okay.
Here we go. This is my spot. Little poo with a view, hopefully. This is what a Pakistani toilet looks like. It's our last tuck shop for a while, so hopefully I can get a little fizzy drink because my guts need it. I need some sugar. Just been squirting it all out. See you. Some lovely switchbacks. Yeah, this is way more bench than I thought it would be. Not so. Well, as awesome as this track is, there's a lot of exposure, so risk versus reward is like, but it's super fun riding. We just rode a cool ass section. But there are a lot of people. Like, this is one of Pakistan's most famous hikes, so we were expecting lots of people. There's a bit of leapfrogging going on. Back into the chunk. It's chunky. Ooh. So now we're lower in the valley. It's widened up a bit. Oh, still chunky. Nice.
I would do that 10 times out of 10.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, same. Down here, so not very far to go at all until we're at the Tato Bridge, which signifies the start of the Jeep track. But we're not going to jump on the Jeeps on the way down because we're going to ride. It's quite terrifying being in the Jeeps, but I think it'll be a pretty fun road to ride too. This is nuts. From this point you can see old road, like at this corner carried on. Down there you can see old road as well, snaking its way. And then just below us you can see the current road. He's beeping. Thank you. Another Jeep. Well, world's second most dangerous road.
It's gnarly, man.
It's pretty gnarly.
Like, this exposure is next level. Like here.
This is safe. This is
safe.
little.
It's okay. But over there.
And up there.
Sheer death.
Sheer death.
Is,
terrifying.
and the surface is so chunky and so loose. It just moves as you're riding.
Sketch balls. Oh well, we're just gonna ride down. Two of them, eh? Oh, there's the other one. Hello. I'm gonna go wide. My biceps are rattled. Shoo. The boys! That was our Fairy Meadows trip. Took us 3 days. It's pretty hot down here back in the valley, but yeah, if you did enjoy that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notifications, leave us a comment, and yeah, wait for the next adventure.